couldn't find the right words to describe your feelings. Today, I'm going to teach you 17 words to help you show exactly how you feel. Hello, welcome back to English Focus Daily. I'm Roxy, and on this YouTube channel, I speak slowly and clearly. Today, we're going to practice talking about feelings with shadowing. First, we will do a listen and repeat, and then I will help you create your own sentences in English when I pause. If this exercise is difficult for you, there is a beginner lesson at the end of this video to help you learn feelings and how to use them. Please watch it. Let's start. Number 1, calm. Calm means you feel relaxed, not worried or excited. I feel calm when I listen to the sound of the ocean. Pause and repeat. I feel calm when I listen to the sound of the ocean. Now complete the sentence. I feel calm when. Very good. She feels calm and peaceful after her yoga class. Repeat. She feels calm and peaceful after her yoga class. Complete the sentence. She feels calm and. Great. Number 2, certain. Certain means you feel completely sure about something. I feel certain that I made the right decision. Pause and repeat. I feel certain that I made the right decision. Now complete the sentence. I feel certain that. That's great. He felt certain of his success after practicing so much. Repeat. He felt certain of his success after practicing so much. Complete the sentence. He felt certain of. Perfect. Number 3, brave. Brave means you feel ready to face pain or danger without fear. I feel brave when I speak up for what is right. Pause and repeat. I feel brave when I speak up for what is right. Now complete the sentence. I feel brave when. That's perfect. The boy felt brave as he walked into the dark room. Repeat. The boy felt brave as he walked into the dark room. Complete the sentence. The boy felt brave as. Good job. Number 4, upset. Upset means you feel unhappy, disappointed, or worried. I feel upset because my best friend is moving away. Pause and repeat. I feel upset because my best friend is moving away. Now complete the sentence. I feel upset because. Great job. She was upset when she lost her favorite ring. Repeat. She was upset when she lost her favorite ring. Complete the sentence. She was upset when. Well done. Number 5, homesick. Homesick means you feel sad because you are away from your home and family. I feel homesick when I look at old family photos. Pause and repeat. I feel homesick when I look at old family photos. Now complete the sentence. I feel homesick when. Amazing. He felt homesick during his first week at university. Repeat. He felt homesick during his first week at university. Complete the sentence. He felt homesick during. Fantastic. Number 6. Curious. Curious means you really want to know or learn something. I feel curious about what is inside the box. Pause and repeat. I feel curious about what is inside the box. Now complete the sentence. I feel curious about. Very good. She felt curious about how the story would end. Repeat, she felt curious about how the story would end. Complete the sentence. She felt curious about. Great. Number 7. Eager. Eager means you feel very excited and interested in doing something. I feel eager to start my new job tomorrow morning. Pause and repeat. I feel eager to start my new job tomorrow morning. Now complete the sentence. I feel eager to. That's great. The children felt eager to open their birthday presents. Repeat. The children felt eager to open their birthday presents. Complete the sentence. The children felt eager to. Perfect. Number 8. Anxious. Anxious means you feel worried or nervous about something. I feel anxious before I speak in public. Pause and repeat. I feel anxious before I speak in public. Now complete the sentence. I feel anxious before. That's perfect. She felt anxious while waiting for her exam results. Repeat, she felt anxious while waiting for her exam results. Complete the sentence. She felt anxious while. Good job. Number 9. Guilty. Guilty means you feel bad because you did something wrong. I feel guilty because I forgot my mother's birthday. Pause and repeat. I feel guilty because I forgot my mother's birthday. Now complete the sentence. I feel guilty because. Great job. He felt guilty after shouting at his little brother. Repeat. He felt guilty after shouting at his little brother. Complete the sentence. He felt guilty after. Well done. Number 10. Peaceful. Peaceful means you feel quiet and calm without any worry. I feel peaceful when I walk in the quiet jungle. Pause and repeat. I feel peaceful when I walk in the quiet jungle. Now complete the sentence. I feel peaceful when. Great job. I feel peaceful when I focus on now. Repeat. I feel peaceful when I focus on now. Complete the sentence. I feel peaceful while. Well done. Number 11. Grateful. Grateful means you feel thankful for something good. I feel grateful for all the help you gave me. Pause and repeat. I feel grateful for all the help you gave me. Now complete the sentence. I feel grateful for. That's perfect. She felt grateful to be home after a long trip. Repeat, She felt grateful to be home after a long trip. Complete the sentence. She felt grateful to. Good job. Number 12. Confident, insecure. Confident means you feel sure of your own abilities. I feel confident that I can pass this test. Pause and repeat. I feel confident that I can pass this test. Now complete the sentence. I feel confident that. Amazing. She felt confident while she was giving her presentation. Repeat. She felt confident while she was giving her presentation. Complete the sentence. She felt confident while. Fantastic. The opposite of confident is insecure. It means you feel unsure about yourself. I feel insecure when I am around new people. Pause and repeat. I feel insecure when I am around new people. Now complete the sentence. I feel insecure when. Very good. He felt insecure about his English speaking ability. Repeat. He felt insecure about his English speaking ability. Complete the sentence. He felt insecure about. Great. Number 13. Miserable, joyful. Miserable means you feel very unhappy or uncomfortable. I feel miserable when it rains for many days. Pause and repeat. I feel miserable when it rains for many days. Now complete the sentence. I feel miserable when. Very good. He felt miserable because he was sick and alone. Repeat. He felt miserable because he was sick and alone. Complete the sentence. He felt miserable because. Great. The opposite of miserable is joyful. It means you feel very happy and full of joy. I feel joyful when I spend time with my family. Pause and repeat. I feel joyful when I spend time with my family. Now complete the sentence. I feel joyful when. That's great. She felt joyful as she danced at the party. Repeat. She felt joyful as she danced at the party. Complete the sentence. She felt joyful as. Great. Number 14. Hopeful, hopeless. Hopeful means you feel positive about the future. I feel hopeful that the weather will be sunny tomorrow. Pause and repeat. I feel hopeful that the weather will be sunny tomorrow. Now complete the sentence. I feel hopeful that. That's great. She felt hopeful after talking to her doctor. Repeat. She felt hopeful after talking to her doctor. Complete the sentence. She felt hopeful after. Perfect. The opposite of hopeful is hopeless. It means you feel that there is no chance of success. I feel hopeless when I cannot solve this math problem. Pause and repeat. I feel hopeless when I cannot solve this math problem. Now complete the sentence. I feel hopeless when. That's perfect. He felt hopeless after losing his keys for the third time. Repeat. He felt hopeless after losing his keys for the third time. Complete the sentence. He felt hopeless after. Good job. Thanks for joining me at English Focus Daily. In every episode, I'm here to help you get one step closer to fluency. To join us on this journey and grow together, subscribe to English Focus Daily and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. I'm Roxy, and if you want to learn more, please click on the video on the screen right now. Something new and exciting is waiting for you there. See you in the next one.